Weather report for the 7th, bright and overcast. Totally didn't forget to do this morning and are now doing it at lunchtime down in the main house. Can't tell at all, can you? Merry Vlogmas day 7. Mum and Dad are out, so this one's being super affectionate and sticking her nose in my mouth. It's not pleasant, Susie. No, it's not. It's not pleasant at all. I have come down. My order from So Hot has arrived really early, which is great, which means I can just finish these penny ends in order. And I know I don't usually do that, but like I said, there's a video tutorial to go along with this. I like to follow it in order, but that's great because I can do the body next, which is awesome. And then there is a little parcel from Elaine, which I don't know what that is. So I'm going to move you back a bit because this is awkward. Here we go. And open this up, or attempt to open this up. It's from Saskatoon. I love the names of the Canadian states. Sean, when I saw these cute buttons, I thought you might like them. I also have some and have placed one on a finished bag somewhere on the flap. Love, Elaine. Oh, they're so cute. Thank you, Elaine. And there we go. They're little purses. They're awesome. I need to get that. Thank you so much, Elaine. That was lovely of you. They shall be going into my button stash, which is up there. I don't have to remember where it's put because we've kind of reorganised these. So I am going to get on with the penny ends, which is exciting. I was going to show you the guys underneath of my desk as well, wasn't I? So this is the part that I move most often because I have more patterns and stuff behind there. So that's on 4 wheels and that slides in and out of there. As you can see, there's like a track there for the groove, well, a groove there for the table to go back into. And then everything, I think you can see, is on wheels. So raising this up would be very difficult, I think. I think my best bet is going to be getting a chair that works for me, and lots of you have suggested yoga balls, which I think is a very good idea because I would like one of those anyway. So yeah, it's going to be something along those lines.
I'm going to have a better day today.
You are going to have a better day today. Everyone was very sad for you.
No coffee.
If it's coffee again,
yeah.
We're in trouble, aren't we?
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
You're going first, are you?
There you go.
Yeah.
Number 7.
Thank you.
Boy, it's warm in here.
It is warm in here.
It's
Yes.
lovely.
Yes. The lizards in the family are very happy.
Yeah.
Wilson would like it here.
He's a lizard, isn't he?
He's more of a lizard. He uses me as a hot water bottle,
Ah.
and I'm always cold.
Gold.
Ooh.
I can't remember what gold was. We had gold.
Scramble nutty.
Ooh.
The only one you've not had so far is Cookie Moon, the dark blue one.
Mm.
They are nice, these.
We've got to liven this up, you know. It can't be 25 days of just going.
I don't know, people seem to be enjoying it.
I can't think why.
I have no idea.
Should have weighed ourselves before we began. Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Well, not declared
Well, I'm
weight, just say
enjoying
what
it.
percentage increase
Thank
is.
you.
Okay. Let's hope it's not coffee.
Oh,
It's
no.
not.
Oh, I like these.
Yes, that's
Yeah.
good.
Dark,
Yeah,
tenderly.
that's it, yes.
Yes.
And I'm actually
No, it's
going...
very rich, this is.
Yes, I'm actually going to get one today.
Sumptuous.
That
It
was
even looks
yummy.
inviting,
It
doesn't
does,
it?
yeah.
Not that anemic colour yesterday.
Mine was yummy.
Very good.
Oh,
Excellent.
Ooh.
I have a Cadbury Eclair. I love these, although
Yeah.
I'm probably going to regret eating this.
Oh,
So I think I might suck it.
that
Don't
sounds
know
like a
that
good idea.
It could take me a while. It's basically toffee with chocolate on the inside, which is lovely, but my
Lovely.
jaw will not be pleased with me for this. You happy?
Well, yeah. Don't interfere with your mum. She's making my Christmas present.
I know. You're currently stood on top of Dad's Christmas present. That's how dedicated we are to the chocolate.
What do you want me to do with these?
Put them over there. Where
Oh,
they live.
okay.
Do you want to show the pattern?
Ta-ra.
Oh, yes. So Mum found this online. It's Vogue 7887. Can't see if it's focused.
It's no longer for sale.
Oh, it's out of print, is it?
Mm.
But it There's a
I had to go
garden
to
bag
America
and
for it.
insert.
An expensive pattern.
Yes. So yes, but this is what this is why we went to Hellasie's the other day. So there's dark green for the outside, and then this is waterproof from the inside, which I think is a very clever idea.
I thought I'd put that on the bottom as well, outside.
They've got those colours so they can find me in the garden.
Yes.
So I'll reverse it for the
Yes.
bottom.
We're going to make him a little strap as well, just to wear around the head, so that we can always find him.
Well, I could make him the hat, but I don't think he'd wear it. There is a hat pattern.
There is a hat pattern, but it's not particularly manly. But it does have a little pocket in it for putting your garden name thingies in it. Hopefully I'll have found a picture of the pattern, so I'll have put it up here so you guys can see it a little bit better.
Yeah.
But yes.
I did think I'd make the apron thing as well. I didn't get enough material for that, but I can always go back.
Okay.
I didn't realise that was an apron. Because that'd be
Ah.
quite useful too, wouldn't it?
Yes, I think he'd probably like that.
Mm.
He's asked me for a smock before, and I refused to make him a smock, so yeah.
No smocks.
No smocks. Anyway, I need to get you off of Dad's Christmas present.
Yes.
So we're going to go sew.
Bye!
The main body of the wallet is done. I really like this combination actually, it looks really cool together. So I still have to make all the insides, the zip pockets and the card slot pockets and the welts, and attach everything together, but we are getting there. So I'm actually going to go and have some lunch now because I am hungry. Might actually get this finished today. I have a whole bunch of finished elements. I am now going to start working on the zipper pockets. All my elements are done, so I can start putting everything together. Very exciting. Penny in number 1 is complete. I do not recommend using corduroy and upholstery weight fabric at the same time, especially not with the lining being corduroy and the outside being upholstery weight fabric, because my machine was not happy, especially the inside of the welts. I should definitely have done that in quilting cotton, but never mind, it looks beautiful. It really is rather special. I love these colours together, I think they're gorgeous. And so you've got, here we go. So you have a slip pocket behind there, you have card pockets, you have 2 zipper pockets, you have another slip pocket, you have some more card pockets, there's a hidden zipper pocket back there behind in this slip pocket, and then you have your ID wallet and more card slots here. So yeah, this is a bit of a beast. Now you can use it just as a wallet if you would like. It's a very chunky wallet, but it also has this little strap band on it that you can add the shoulder strap and wrist strap to, so that you can use it as a bag. And this would be great as a travel bag because it fits your passport in it, at least if it's a UK passport in it. Pleased with that. Penny in number 1 done. Penny in number 2 is going to be started probably on Tuesday, I think, because I want to get Wilson's sleeves traced and cut out at the very least. And I have a live stream tomorrow, so I won't be able to do that, so I'm going to work on that NCW, which actually isn't for anyone, but I haven't got an NCW cut out. Yeah, I wasn't sure what I was going to do tomorrow because I was thinking I could do the Vogue hat. That would be something that would be easy to do whilst chatting to you guys at the live stream, but I want to do a sew along for that, so I don't want to have to keep stopping and starting to film the sew along whilst I'm trying to work on the live stream as well. The book bag, I really want to do that as a sew along. So same deal. I could possibly draft Wilson's, or you know, copy Wilson's sleeves tomorrow morning and possibly do those, but I think I'm going to need to concentrate on those. So I think the NCW that I have cut out and that's been sat there for months is probably the best idea. I'm trying some new things with that NCW. You guys can watch me attempt them in real time, and they may or may not end up in the new NCW tutorial that I'm going to be releasing next year, beginning of next year. But I'm very pleased with this. I'm very pleased with this. I really didn't think it all the way through with the fabrics I chose. That was not intelligent. Don't do that. My machine and I, we nearly had a falling out. It wasn't impressed with me, poor machine. But we got there. It is sewn and it is a thing of beauty. I really like it. I'm not going to send this one out until I finish the other one, but like I say, I'm going to start on the other one, and the other one's down there in pieces, and it shouldn't take me too long to get that one done either. I mean, I could possibly work on that during the live stream tomorrow, but it's a video tutorial that I follow along with rather than written instructions. So again, that's not really going to work, is it? We shall see. Anyway, I'm going to head back up to mine now. It is, gosh, it's 8:15, so it's not too late. And I started this at, I think, 1 o'clock, and I had an hour's break for food. So yeah, 6 hours of sewing, finished penny in. I'm happy with that. I have totally crazy hair. I dyed it last night, which I think you guys could probably tell from today, because although I don't have the stupid bright red hairline that I usually do, so clearly I was doing something right last night, but I didn't finish in time to blow dry it, so I literally put it up in that top knot and slept in it like that, and it's been wet all day. So I have crazy hair. I suddenly thought, oh, I wonder if it's still damp. I probably ought to take it down, and it's not damp, it's just giantly fluffy. So I am going to wash it again properly tomorrow. I know I've got to film my twirls and my fabric close-ups for the lookbook and the fabric haul, and they really need to go up fairly soon, because otherwise it's going to be fairly redundant. I mean, I suppose not really, and it might be a good idea for me to put those up next weekend, because I am going to London to see Wilson, which I'm very excited about. I haven't seen him for 2.5 weeks, and I really miss him, and he misses me too. He's been texting me, and we've been talking every day. So I think I might save those 2 videos for that weekend, just in case I don't film anything. He does know about Vlogmas, and we're going to go to Winter Wonderland at least one of those days. I will be vlogging whilst I'm up there, but it can take quite a while to edit them in the evening, and I obviously don't see him very often, especially this month. I'm going to see him next weekend and the weekend after, and then I won't see him until New Year's Eve, hopefully. Yeah, I'm not sure how much time I want to spend editing when I could be spending it with him in the evenings. But if I've got videos going up for you guys, and then obviously I will film those days. I'll just, you know, do Vlogmas day 14 and 15 together, possibly. Something like that. Not sure what we're going to do about mum and dad's calendars as well, and mine. Whether we pre-film and have like 3 chocolates in one day, although I think both of them might actually be sick, or if I try and FaceTime with them and see if they can FaceTime and I record it. That could be interesting. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, that was a lot of waffle, and the video's already fairly long today, so I am going to say goodnight, get this into the video, edited, uploaded, and I will see. Yeah, words, I have them. I hope you've enjoyed today, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.